He once said he'd take a bullet for Donald Trump. Now Michael Cohen is offering to help in an investigation the president has repeatedly called a witch hunt. On Tuesday, Donald Trump's longtime lawyer and fixer pleaded guilty to campaign finance violations. Cohen told the court he was directed by Trump to make payments to two women he's alleged to have had affairs with. Cohen's lawyer says the 51-year-old is now more than happy to help special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation into alleged collusion between the Trump campaign and Russia.
My observation is that Michael Cohen knows information that would be of interest to the special counsel, in my opinion, regarding both knowledge about a conspiracy to corrupt American democracy by the Russians.
Robert Mueller's investigation centers on a meeting between Trump campaign aides and a Russian delegation that promised to dish political dirt on Hillary Clinton. Cohen's lawyer has indicated his client has direct knowledge of the meeting, with claims Donald Trump knew it was happening, something the president denied.
If the president knew about it and there's other evidence in addition to Michael Cohen just basically saying it on his own, then the president at this point could be on his way on a very fast pace to impeachment.
At the first press briefing since Cohen's appearance in court, Sarah Huckabee Sanders says the president has nothing to hide.
As the president has stated on numerous occasions, he did nothing wrong. There are no charges against him in this. And just because Michael Cohen made a plea deal doesn't mean that that implicates the president on anything.
On the same day Cohen pled guilty in New York, the president's former campaign manager Paul Manafort was found guilty on 8 charges of tax and bank fraud. Both cases sprang from Mueller's team, leading one Republican to say it's proof Mueller's investigation is anything but a witch hunt. Democrats say Trump's legal woes are far from over.
To take a step back, President Trump's campaign manager was convicted of federal crimes. President Trump's personal attorney pled guilty to federal crimes. President Trump's first national security advisor pled guilty to federal crimes. A foreign policy advisor to his campaign pled guilty to federal crimes. And more trials are coming.
These 2 court cases may now be the biggest threat to Donald Trump's presidency. Cohen's lawyer says his client is now liberated to speak truth to power, and there are unconfirmed reports Cohen has tapes. Trump's base will remain loyal, but with November's midterm elections approaching, the stakes have never been higher. Andy Gallacher, Al Jazeera, at the White House.